Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? I know what you're thinking. Where did he get a 2011 baseball value box? I pulled it out of my a-hole. So anyway, I will get one of 3 chrome refractor cards, 5 tops, 2 heritage, 2 diamond giveaway code cards that are expired, blah blah blah. But it is 2011. It was only 15 bucks. So let's see how this works. Some cards or boxes are in my way. There we go. Come on, there we go. What the heck is this thing back here? Empty, okay. This is 2011 Collector's Guide. Wow, it's got basically all the cards from 2011. Nope, it's got, anyway, it's got a lot of cards. Don't need that. And I got a Mickey Mantle in this one. MBC1. I've got that one somewhere else, but I'll pop it open and we'll take a look. Ta-da, Mickey Mantle. Yay. And then we've got Roy Halladay and Jackie Robinson on those 2. Wow, this is awesome. I mean, it's sticky, but it's better than the other crap because this can come off and get thrown away and doesn't stick to every freaking thing. And if it bumps a card, it's not going to kill it. So this is what we got here, 2011 Heritage. Yeah, that me down. Series 1. Hanley Ramirez, Westbrook, Gonzalez, Fausto, Gill, Rayburn, Brian Matute, Scott Cousins, and Kirk Suzuki. I've got another one of these, which is Derek Jeter, Ian Kinsler, and Ryan Zimmerman. Wow. Ramirez, Looney, Oswalt, Vargas, Pinero, Veritek, Buster Poser, Hoffman, and I got Canerco, Cabrera, and Bautista. Another Derek Jeter. Adam Pac-Man Jones, not Pac-Man Jones, just Adam Jones. And then a Mickey Mantle, Kimball Champion. That's kind of a nice little card. Olivo, Miguel. Santana, Placido Domingo. Eric Young Jr., Guthrie, Edwin, Padilla, Jimenez. We got here Bronson Arroyo. Mario Rivera. Hello, what am I trying to say here? Rivera, Kimball's Champion. The Lost Cards, Roy Campanella, and another Jimenez. Ubaldo, by the way, is his first name. It's Jimenez. Ubaldo Jimenez. Ooh, I got a shiny. Alright, we got Manny Ramirez, Stewart, Thole, Reaver, Tomei, Wigginton, Buster Poser, Trevor Hoffman again, Felice, Cantu, we got a Cantu, and Carl Yamensky. I think I have the regular card of that as well as 60 Years of Tops. Adam Jones again, and to finish it off we've got John Jay, McCutcheon, Lester, Napoli, Ellis, Papelbon. We got first rookie Jake McGee and Lars Anderson is the second rookie. Brian Boshi, Chipper Jones. We have Hanley Ramirez, Mike Stanton duos, Stan Musial for the 60 Years of Tops, and Andre Ethier. Pop these 2 puppies open. I got a Chromie. What's up, Chromie? Alright, Casey McGee, Curtis Granderson, Jose Seda, 382, I don't think that's a short print. Brian, my hair is messed up, Wilson. Is that the same Brian Wilson that used to have the freaking beard all over the place? No way. Anyway, Hellickson, or actually, I guess he does have the beard all over the place now. That's okay. Anyway, Jeremy Hellickson, nice little rookie card there. Millwood, Wande Rodriguez, Roy Halladay, and the Chromie is Mark Reynolds, Chromie, 1188 of 1962. All right. And no Chromies here. Marlon Byrd. Bird, and the bird is the word. We got Josh Hamilton and Cruz, Vance Worley, David Price, some old guy, Charlie Manuel, Robinson Cano, Miguel Montero, Ryan Dempster, and John Garland. And 420, Miguel Montero as a short print. It's a high number short print there. So, alright, well anyway, that's it for that, guys. Thanks, we'll talk later, bye.